Mabuhay! For today's vlog, I'm going to teach you how to apply the vinyl decals. Before we start, you might want to subscribe on our channel and hit that notification bell so that you will be updated on our next vlog. And make sure to watch our video from start to finish to get all the tips in applying the vinyl decals. And by the way, do you have any questions or any tips that you wanted to share, so that other readers or other viewers of this vlog would be able to know some thoughts from you? Let us know your thoughts or your tips in the comment section below. We will be more than happy to read all your comments and even your suggestions or any questions. And let's start! As we begin, we will be needing these following materials. I have here my DIY cup holder. This is made of a pool noodle and a cutting board from the dollar store. You may also need a squeegee or a scraper. If you don't have a scraper like this, you can use your credit card or any hard card that is used to scrape down our vinyl decals. And the vinyl decal. This vinyl decal usually comes with the transfer tape on it. And of course, the specific item which you want to apply your vinyl decal. So first, make sure that the vinyl decal is flattened with the use of the scraper. Gently rub over the decal using a credit card, a scraper, or even your fingers. This is to make sure that the decals really stick to our transfer tape. And now, you can peel away the clear tape or the transfer tape from the backing of the decal. To do that, you can just gently peel the backing off and make sure that the decal is properly sticking to the transfer tape. Just in case it doesn't stick to the transfer tape, you can place back down and rub over a little bit harder so that it will stick better. For me, it's better to peel off the backing in order to avoid the decals to be stretched. Just make sure that you don't touch the sticky part of the vinyl decal. Then you can now put away the backing. So, here's our vinyl decal that is nicely attached to our transfer tape. This one is ready to be placed into the surface that you want to. And now, we're ready to apply it. Take your cup holder with you. In this video, I'm going to use a black matte tumbler. But before you apply the decals, just make sure though that this tumbler is clean, free from dust or any debris. You can clean it using an alcohol and let it dry. And when you're ready, you can now hold the transfer tape and measure it or adjust it to the specific spot where you want to stick your vinyl decal. We don't want to mess up on our vinyl decal, so you must be certain where you want to place it. You can now gently place it on the tumbler by rubbing all over it again. Make sure that there's no bubbles. I usually want to start from the other end and gently go through all of it until it's done. And lastly, you can gently peel the transfer tape back up, leaving the vinyl decal on the tumbler. And that's it! That's how we apply our vinyl decals to any surfaces that we want to. Since we are using a permanent vinyl, make sure that you will not wash it within 24 hours to give time for the vinyl decal to be cured. Thank you for watching the entire video. I hope that you enjoyed and you learned something from this tutorial. Please don't forget to leave your comments and your suggestions on the comment section below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Always remember to enjoy doing what you're doing, keep learning, and share your passion to others. See you on the next vlog. Mabuhay!